That one checker.
Alright, what's up, guys? I do not know what I'm doing today, but I'm gonna try to record everything just so you guys can get a little daily type vlog on what I do or what I don't do, actually. But make sure you guys enter that giveaway that I put on my Instagram, and then it was the last video. But basically just win some headlights or taillights, whichever one you guys want. I'll give you guys some options and then you pick. All you gotta do is tag 3 people in my post that I posted on my Instagram, post it on your account, and then tag me, and then you're in. And you can do it as many times as you want, not just once. So if you want to do it like 5 times, 100 times, doesn't matter. But yeah, we'll see what we do today. Probably go hoop for a little, you know, get my little Michael Jordan taekwondo shot on. And after that, I don't know. Comment video ideas or like pranks I should do to like the crew. Also, you can comment questions, or I can do a little Q&A video. And then, yeah, that's about it.
For YouTube, nigga? Bro! You have a channel? What was this for? Manny? Hey, what's up, guys? Subscribe to Rocky Place 124, you know? What's the deal?
Add me on Snapchat at Marcelo.Mojo.
Subscribe to Rocky Place. One more. This nigga's ugly. No, subscribe to him, bro.
So I got that show.
That one checker.
What's going on, guys? Right now we about to go to my boy's Eric's shop real quick so we can put on Daniel's hood, and then I don't know what else I'd do after, but I'll put a little time lapse and then I'll see y'all when we get there. We just pulled up, but my man's in there selling the car or whatever. Currently just waiting for him, you know, come out, and then fucking Mr. Mullet Man to come here. He got scared though, motherfucker.
The first time he came, he was like, "Oh, bro, I didn't think I was gonna make it up there."
For real?
Yeah. But besides that, I mean, it's those.
You just get out of work or you going to a baile?
I don't know if the plastic.
When we work at 2 o'clock, and we gotta buy that at 5, and then we have to watch it at 6, so you know.
Yeah, I know I won't have the plastic for. You won't have it? You don't have it? No. Hey, is that a 3/8 or is that a quarter inch? What? I don't know. It's 3/8. The medium size one. Yeah.
You see that gloss? Look at that shit. I can see myself. I'd be the type to just let the hood go right down, nigga.
Daniel, right there where it's at, bro, it's loose. You can turn it with your finger.
Just take it off. No, but now the socket's lost.
We'll find it ahorita. I'll just get another one. Deadass. Yeah.
What if it gets stuck on
Hey, why did you put your dirt on the hood?
my dirt?
Yeah, your ground. I mean.
Oh, this.
Yeah. Oh, it's not on. Oh, okay. I was like, what the fuck? I hit dirt. What the fuck?
Get the fuck out of here, güey.
Tierra, güey.
Alright, guys, now we're gonna need some serious manpower.
Any words, Edgar? You're next.
Yeah, I'm about to get a new head too, so cash out me money soon. I don't got a cash out.
You down?
No, I don't.
Damn, get out of here,
Send
bro.
it to my mail PO box.
What's your PO box? Bitch, what the fuck?
I don't got one yet. That's not that heavy.
Is it heavy though?
It's exhausting.
Alright, then your job is to put the screws on. One shot.
Oh my god.
Mira, no puede.
It's screwing into nothing.
I thought you were good at screwing.
I'm not. I need light, that's why. That's the problem.
Bitch, what the fuck is this?
Go down.
He needs that
Look at
gordito
that,
block light.
It doesn't. That's not a hole, bitch.
This shit's getting really heavy.
Oh. Milwaukee, when you want the job done right. They did not sponsor me by any. I actually want to give a quick shout out, man, because all y'all little fake vloggers and shit. I mean, YouTube watchers. My nigga real as fuck, bro. Let's go on my Cash App real quick, bro. How do you check this shit, bro? Robbie. My nigga sent me money for my hood.
And look what happened.
Look what happened. This could have been done weeks ago. I got done yesterday because of Robbie. Thank you, Robbie. Send me more $20 if you're feeling generous. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just
For the lunch.
for the lunch. Nigga finna go bankrupt.
Drop it slowly.
Treat me that way.
You can.
Wait. Check this out. Before it fucking cracks.
Looks cool.
Look good.
I mean, it looks good.
That's it.
I mean, close it.
It's up to you.
Oh wait, because I had those brackets up.
What bracket?
You know the pushers that push your head up? I had this one up. Oh fuck.
Attempt number 3.
There we go. Oh, dude.
It's almost
Fuck.
Damn.
What?
Who's Canada?
I think it's yours.
Okay, you know the mullet twins, you know? Fuck you if you hate it, nigga.
Yeah, for real.
Nice, man. I'm finna cut this shit out. It was cool until all y'all niggas started doing it to be taquaches. I just did it in respect for my homie, you know? But you know, y'all niggas getting way too weird with this shit. Y'all niggas looking like dogs and fucking horses and shit. I'm just chilling being Daniel. You know? It's usually all curly and shit, but since I gotta wear a fucking
Hard hat.
Nah, this is one thing because it's cold and it's a mask that covers your whole head.
A face mask?
Yeah, it's just flat as fuck.
Oh. They said 4-7.
What do you think, Static Manny?
I love.
Alright, flip it around.
Huh?
That says one. Flip it around.
You got a jack? Because I don't fit under the truck.
We're all gorditos here, bro. I don't know what you're talking about.
Speak for yourself, bro. I'm just big bone.
How do you feel about your work?
It's light work, my niggas.
Light work?
Light work.
You can do that in 2 hours, huh?
Nah, fucking pain in the ass.
Rough as fuck.
That shit was, bro.
Bro, that thing was bad, bro.
Hopefully you'll catch me in this bad girl in OKC tomorrow, but if I break my ball joints today, you probably won't.
Shit. You're not whipping yours? Y'all making me want to go to OKC tomorrow. What time you going, Daniel?
$1 off for every scratch you put in.
Motherfucker about to slow down now.
You go, you roar. The things you gotta do to have a nice truck. Things that you gotta do for your girl will get on. I'm a little nigga editor. I'm $100 to take these plastics off because my nigga got noodle arms right now.
Show me a shoe check, dude.
Oh, wow.
No, technically a who? Nigga, you got nothing on me. Look at this. Call me at your LSX cut.
Sir, what happened there?
Where?
Right here?
I don't want to talk about it, bro. That's just depressing. Yeah, you pay a lot of money for a clean paint job, you know, and then when you're putting it together, what the fuck? You know, you pay a lot of money for a paint job, you know, and then when you put it together, you kind of fuck up every now and then. So I put the bumper too close to the truck, and some fucking idiot started stomping on my bumper. And it's scratched.
Shit like engraved on there.
That's just engraved.
I know, I feel it.
Engraved like my tombstone.
Shut the fuck up!
Why is it not coming off?
Are you fingers now?
That's my fingers.
So fuck my fingers, I want it off.
Wait. Quítalos a la verga de ahí. Move it.
You gotta protect the paint.
That's how you put the rag.
Take those lights off.
Like everything?
No, just the light.
Just the back?
I've done so many things to this truck. I rebuilt the motor. I took it apart. I can't put a fucking bumper on.
Oh shit.
Alright, 5-minute break.
Commercials.
Bro, give me some booze.
Take the rush. Rolling shots right now.
Rolling shots. Damn, you got a muffler on it too, or what?
Carbon. You know nothing about that. Woo-hoo!
1, 2, 3.
Turn!
Bitch, how do you turn? You're supposed to turn.
This shit has a fucked up alignment.
Hey, that alignment's fucked up.
What alignment?
That shit.
You got camber.
Oh, okay. Damn. Shoot that, shoot that. Okay, Daddy, okay.
Her name is Sherry. She lives in Hallaberry.
You got the plastic kit or not yet?
Ah, I gotta order them. They're fucking expensive, nigga.
For real?
We gotta take them from OK
You know, or you can have Edgar's. I'll give them to you.
free out there, you know. Oh yeah, I do know where a blue single cab is at.
Oh.
Like right there? Or all the way?
Red one and the black
Yeah, right there is perfect, nigga.
Is that a hole right there? No, let's make that.
So let's make one. There's another one.
Now let's put this one over here. That way it's nice and even. No payable.
Looks dope though.
Huh?
Looks dope.
Can't wait. Can't wait. How much did I end up owing you? 30?
You know, boss talk right there.
Yep. You see this? That's how you take care of friends, motherfuckers. $30 for a whole hood in a bumper.
This has 40.
Well, that's 40.
Yeah.
Oh, nigga, it's 30, nigga, here.
Damn, you don't tip?
Oh, I'm at the buzzer.
We gotta be humble out here, nigga. Don't want it fucking.
Humble, yeah. Nigga, we didn't want no tip.
If you don't want it, those $10 are going to Edgar.